Cast of the Ozarks.
Well, a very happy Wednesday, everyone. I thought we'd get to our currents first. Temperature-wise, we are at 72 degrees right now in Springfield. A slow-moving front, kind of keeping those temperatures low. If I move out of the way, you can easily tell into Arkansas. They're seeing those warmer temperatures, 73 in Harris, and you can see the reds right below that. As this front kind of meanders along, we're seeing some rain with it. For the most part, we've got a break in the rain right now. We had some thunderstorms kind of barrel through earlier this morning, but if you look out to our west, the break's not going to last all that long. We're going to see the next round of showers and storms move on into our area. Now, we have seen a ton of rain for the month of May, or at least it feels like that. It's actually the 10th wettest May on record, almost 10 inches of rain. You can see very few dry days for the most part. However, not everyone in our viewing area saw that much. Now, Springfield, like I said, close to 10. Joplin saw almost 12 inches of rain, but look at West Plains. They only saw about 3.63 inches. Normal would be about 5.5. So we went from being really wet on our western counties to quite dry out to the east. I think those places out to the east will actually see a chance of rain as we head throughout the day. Flood alerts, we do have quite a few in effect right now. For the most part, we have a flash flood watch or an aerial flood watch for our counties along and north of I-44 until midnight tonight. Probably the reason those counties out to the east not seeing the watch, they just didn't see as much rain. The ground isn't as saturated. Here's what Futurecast shows. We are going to see a little bit of a break, what we've got right now. There's the next chance of rain. Now, by 5 p.m., I think earlier is possible. We're going to see some embedded storms start to pop up along with this rain. Our biggest threat for today is going to be hail and strong winds, but you can see they could really pack a little bit of a punch. We could see some severe weather with this. As we head into the overnight time period, I think it's going to calm down quite a bit, and then the heaviest of rain is going to fall into northern Arkansas. By Thursday afternoon, I think we're going to clear out nicely, and we're actually going to see some sunshine before the end of the day. However, for today, we have to get through that severe threat. The tornado threat is very low if you're headed to the Boot Hill. There is that chance there. Wind is a pretty moderate threat for today with those thunderstorms. Hail, up to penny-sized hail will be possible, and lightning is a low threat as well. Mainly for those south of I-44 and into northern Arkansas. That's the greatest threat for severe weather today. 75 degrees, it's going to be showery, kind of stormy and cool. 59 overnight with a chance of rain and storms. But look at this 7-day. We're going to be very active, which I kind of thought, man, as we head into June, another active month. But we do have drier conditions for Thursday and Friday. And then the chance of rain over the weekend's about a 40% chance. And it does look like it could be stormy as we kind of warm up a little bit. Yeah, it's just staying in a very active pattern for the next couple of weeks. But it doesn't look like we're going to have a really hot spell, which for me, I prefer staying in the 80s. I don't want to jump to 100 yet.
Oh, no. Yeah, I think that's warm enough.
I agree.
Warm enough.
Stay right there.
All right. Thank you, Natalie. Up next here on Midday, the battle in